how to sign in on your Temu application. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will show you guys today how to sign in an easy way. Just follow me in this video till the end. First, you need to download your Temu application from App Store or Play Store, whatever you have. So then you have to open your Temu. It will open directly on your homepage as you can see right now. So what you should do, you just have to click on sign in, and if you already have an account, you have to write your email or phone number. Then it will take you to write your password. But I will talk here about signing in with a new account. They will told you if you want to use a Google, Facebook, Twitter. I will just use my Google. I will wait until it show me my emails right here. I will choose one, for example, because I have a lot of emails. Maybe I will choose this one, and then I will wait. As you see right now, I opened my account on Temu. If right now guys, I go to my profile, as you see, this is my profile and this is my name of my account. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. This is my profile, as you can see. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.